Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play heaven and hell on drums. We'll begin by establishing the foundational drum beat. Your kick drum will strike on the first and third beats, providing a solid low end. Simultaneously, the snare drum will punctuate the second and fourth beats, creating that classic rock backbeat. Aim for a consistent tempo of approximately 135 beats per minute to capture the song's energy. Next, let's incorporate the hi-hat to add texture and drive. You'll play steady eighth notes on the hi-hat, maintaining a continuous flow. For a touch of flair, try opening the hi-hat briefly on the end of the second beat. This subtle open-close technique adds a nice shimmer to the groove. Focus on keeping your hi-hat strokes even and precise for a clean sound. Now, let's explore some of the signature fills that define this song. Many fills involve moving across the tom-toms, often culminating with a crash cymbal. Pay close attention to dynamics, play with more intensity during the choruses, and pull back slightly for the verses. A classic fill might involve a three-stroke pattern, moving from high tom to mid-tom to floor tom, adding excitement. Finally, let's talk about bringing it all together. Start by practicing at a slower tempo with a metronome to solidify your timing and coordination. Listen intently to the original recording to truly grasp the song's feel and subtle rhythmic variations. Concentrate on making your transitions between the main groove and the fills seamless. Consistent practice will help you master this powerful drum part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.